Mastering plural possessive pronouns in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning video. Today we are going to dive deep into an exciting grammar topic: plural possessive pronouns. Understanding these pronouns can greatly enhance your English fluency and expression. Let's get started. Possessive pronouns are used to show ownership or possession in a sentence. Plural possessive pronouns, specifically, indicate that more than one person owns something. The plural possessive pronouns in English are ours, yours, and theirs. Here's a quick example. This car is ours. These books are yours. Those houses are theirs. Remember, these pronouns replace the noun in the sentence, making the expression more concise and efficient. Plural possessive pronouns are incredibly versatile, and they can be used in a wide range of contexts. They help us avoid repetition and make our sentences more fluent. Let's look at a couple of examples. Without possessive pronouns. This is the house of John and me. These are the books of you and Peter. Those are the cars of them. With possessive pronouns. This house is ours. These books are yours. Those cars are theirs. As you can see, using possessive pronouns makes your sentences cleaner and more direct. One common mistake learners often make is confusing possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns. Remember, possessive adjectives are, your, their, are used before a noun, whereas possessive pronouns, ours, yours, theirs, replace the noun. For instance, this is our house. Possessive adjective. This house is ours. Possessive pronoun. Another common mistake is to add an apostrophe to the pronoun. However, in English, possessive pronouns never take an apostrophe. So it's always theirs, not theirs. That's it for today's lesson on plural possessive pronouns. We hope this tutorial helps you to grasp how to correctly use ours, yours, and theirs in your English conversations and writing. Remember to practice, and soon it will become second nature. Stay tuned for more English grammar lessons.